A comprehensive guide to the threaded rebar couplers types. 2.
When the coupler is made wider and flatter in cross-section, it becomes a rebar end anchor coupler, installed at the end of the rebar. It helps reduce congestion caused by traditional hooked anchors, saving space and making rebar placement much easier. If the rebar ends are processed using the upsetting threading method, you will need this upset rebar coupler. Note that upset refers to the rebar processing technique, not the coupler itself. The cold upsetting process thickens the rebar end, making the connection stronger. Finally, these colorful couplers are epoxy-coated rebar couplers. They have an additional layer of epoxy resin coating on the surface, which greatly improves corrosion resistance. Although there are different types of rebar couplers, they all work on the same basic principles. The threads inside the coupler tightly grip the threads on the rebar end, securely connecting to rebars.